What's the best thing you can do when you're trying to finish your project car? That's right. Buy a second project car. Alright, so what are you trying to do right now? You're trying to pop it up.
Leverage it.
We eventually opened the hood from an access port in the fender liner area, but of course the battery was dead, so we tried jumping that first.
Yeah?
Alright, so right now it's charging up with the pilot, and he's putting the fender liner back on because that's how you have to put the... Oh, good.
Oh god, it's not going in.
Alright, new battery time. Okay.
A few moments later.
Alright.
Here, maybe.
Try it again.
Hold it down for a while now. I've been thinking about the only thing you can replace is like the intake from up here.
Air filters.
Your intake, yeah, oil.
So, yeah, this is Aiden's 996 Carrera convertible. Yeah, nothing much to say. It's pretty nice. The paint's like brand new apparently, and the seats are basically redone, so it is in pretty good shape. For the interior, aside from that steering wheel, yeah.